Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi Ratchet, the 18 volt plus. This is a battery operated ratchet from Ryobi. This is actually a new tool. It's not available in some stores. In some stores it is, and you are able to get it with this battery deal. I don't know if you guys heard or watched my videos from before, but you guys can get it with this battery deal because it's under $79. So don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Unfortunately, that's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes and the bell icon, so you can get all the notifications. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, this is the kit. Basically 2 batteries. You get 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $99. And then after you get this, you can choose a tool for free under $79. And I chose this one. We'll make a separate video for this unboxing. I'm not gonna make a video yet, so we'll put this at the side. Yeah, this I went on HomeDepot.com and look at the stores and look at the inventory. They said they had 3 in stock, and I went to the store. I did not see it in the Ryobi section. So what you have to do is you have to show them the item and the stock number, or how many you guys have in stock in the app on your phone. And once the associate looks at that, then he's gonna determine where is it located, and he's gonna go up there or on the back, wherever he has to go. He actually went up above, you know how they have like a warehouse on the top of the aisles. Well, he found this at the top. They had 6 total there, and the website only said they had 3, so now you know. Alright, pretty much we got 125 OnePlus tools compatible. Any one of the tool works with any one of the batteries. So we got item number P344. Unfortunately, we got a sticker right there, so we can't really look at it. It says anvil 3/8 up to 35 pounds of torque, revolutions per minute 230, 2.4 pounds, and length is 11.5 long. So yeah, obviously it's not real powerful. This is not an impact gun. Obviously you have to break your bolts or nuts with manually like a regular ratchet. And then after you break them loose, you have it nice and loose, then you can use the ratcheting part, which is the electrical part. Alright, let's unbox this. See if we can open this from here. Nothing else on the box. Alright, we got some packaging material here. We got some instructions. So basically 2 different parts of instructions here. We'll set these aside. We got some sort of extension. So we'll take this. The reason why I think they had included an extension is because of the battery part. Don't get me wrong, you know, it is a big battery, and this is on its way, but it will work. Hopefully it'll work in most applications. If you're a professional, I would not recommend this. If you're a DIY, occasionally you work on trucks, cars, you know, change your own oils and brake jobs and stuff like that, this is perfect for you. But if you're a mechanic, this is going to be on the way all the time. Alright, so this is the tool itself. Does have a bit holder here for the extension. As you guys see it there, actually I think it goes on the other side. Like so. So it does have a bit holder, so I will always keep that one in there, that or another one. We do have a trigger. Seems like it does have like a lock. There we go. So it does have a lock here. So in case you're using it as a ratchet, you know, you're not accidentally pressing this trigger. So that's a good feature here to have, because sometimes you're going to be using this as a ratchet, so you might want to lock this, and then you can just go like that, pretty much, you know, like a regular ratchet. Let's see here. So right there you have it. Alright, you got the battery compartment on the back. You got their serial number here. It says Ryobi 18 volts P344. So you guys see there. You got the serial number there at the bottom. You got an 1-800 number. And then says Ryobi 1 Plus. Like I said, you got a bit holder down there. You got a nice rubber area, so you can just grab pretty much up here. You got a couple vents here for the motor. I guess this is a brushed tool, and you got a nice light, a work light there. And then you got some more information here on the side. It says use only with battery packs listed, operator's manual, P108. Let's see here. And then this is 4 position, I believe. So right there, like a regular ratchet, you can just twist it forward or twist it back, just like a regular ratchet. And what you do is, like an air tool, you basically turn this, and it just locks by itself. Lift this like this, and then just turn it, and then it'll just lock by itself. Same thing. It does have 4 positions, as you guys see there. I'm probably gonna end up using it like so the battery, it's not on the way. Most of the time I will be using it like this probably, but for now we're just gonna leave it in the original position. Oh, and actually it does have 2 LEDs, so it doesn't just have one, it has 2 LEDs. So just in case you have this pointing towards that side, you have another LED in the back. So we'll go ahead and put a battery in here, see how it sounds. I will recommend a smaller battery because this is a big tool already. This is a 3 amp hour battery. This is a big battery. I would recommend a smaller one. If you have a 2 amp hour battery, even better. I do have smaller batteries, but they're on my truck. That's what I use for work. But if you guys have a smaller battery, it will definitely help you out. That's the way it looks when it's standing up. Let's see here if we can get a good picture here. As you guys see there, that's the way it looks. That's the back side, and that's the other side, and that's the front. And it is variable speed, as you guys see here. Like slow, medium, faster, and then faster. So it is a variable speed, which is a great thing on this ratchet. Anyways, I will go ahead and take this outside. We'll go ahead and start it up. We'll put a socket in here. We'll take something out in the truck, and we'll see how well this works. Alright, we're going to be removing some battery terminals here, testing this ratchet, see how well it works. We're going to be charging this battery, that's why we're going to be removing it. And we're using just a long socket here, just a regular socket, and trying it out. As you guys see right there, you guys could use it as a ratchet, just like a regular ratchet, and break it loose. And then after that you can press the trigger and pretty much make it real fast. And that's what these tools are meant for. As you guys see, the big old batteries, it's kind of big. I would recommend you guys use a smaller battery. That's a 3 amp hour battery, I believe. So I would recommend you guys use a smaller one. And the handle, it is rotatable, so you guys could pretty much rotate it to any degrees if the battery's on its way, you know, on the way of things. But as you guys see there, to loosen it up, it works fine. Now we're tightening it up, and it seems to be pretty tight. I couldn't move the terminals by hand when I tighten it up with this, so it seems to be a fairly decent job. You know, obviously this is not an impact driver. A lot of people been reviewing this item because it doesn't have a lot of torque. Well, these items are not meant to have a lot of torque. If you want a lot of torque, get an impact wrench and use an impact wrench. These things are just built for smaller bolts, nuts, and places where you cannot get an impact driver. However, I read that some of the people that you can't break loose, you can't put a lot of torque on this ratchet. It just depends on the application. I wouldn't put a lot of torque, you know. I would just get it loose with the regular ratchet and then just put this one in and just get it off. But most of the jobs, regular jobs, you know, taking a small, like a battery or something small around the engine compartment is completely fine. Again, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon to buy more tools, make more tool videos like this, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.